Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Knowledge, Chapter 2, Shloka 3. Yield not to impotence, O Partha, it does not befit thee. Cast off this mean weakness of heart. Stand.
Chapter 2, Shloka 3. Klaibyam masmaghamapartha naitatvayupapadyate kshatram hridaya daurbhalyam tyaktvottishta parantapa.
Chapter 2, Shloka 3. Krishna's cure for Arjuna's grief caused by the anxiety state neurosis begins now. All this while, Krishna was silent like a sphinx, leading to Arjuna's soliloquy. Now Krishna lashes Arjuna with words which are like missiles meant to flatten him. He calls him a Klaibyan, which is a mental attitude neither masculine, expressing courage, nor feminine, showing softness and hesitation. Like we sometimes call out, is he a man or a woman? When from the behavior we cannot make out or are not sure. Like on Indian road crossings, we see eunuchs who dress like a woman but look like a man, or speak like a man but feel like a woman, physically strong but mentally weak. Filled with compassion, Arjuna has decided not to fight and give convincing arguments to Krishna to get his support for the decision to not to fight the battle. But Krishna remained silent. Krishna's silence was meaningful as Arjuna was not in the state to listen and was fully involved in gathering support. Even if he had spoken, his words would have fallen on deaf ears. Krishna didn't let Arjuna fall either. After Arjuna had emptied himself, out of compassion, Lord Krishna rushed to save him. If a person is guided by his intellect, he can save himself even after falling down. But when he is identifying with his mind as Arjuna did, he needs help and guidance from the Lord. The grace of Lord is not like a refreshing shower, but it is like a hammer stroke. Krishna's words were like lightning to Arjuna, though they were meant to burn away his wrong negative tendencies. Soft words couldn't have cured Arjuna, hence he used harsh words and appealed to him to stand up and act. More in the next shloka in the next video. Free book and e-book of the Holy Gita, commentary by Swami Chinmayananda, available. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.